Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Evernote application on your iOS device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go and tap open your app store to get started. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search box and type in Evernote and press search. Once you find the application that says Evernote Notes Organizer from Evernote Corporation, tap on the download button to begin the downloading process for the app. Evernote is a note-taking and task management application developed by Evernote Corporation. It is used for archiving and creating notes in which photos, audios, and saved web content can be embedded. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the app. That is how you can easily get Evernote application installed on your iOS device. You can now easily log in entering your credentials and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily download Evernote application for your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.